ngaba ngithenga i-Retex mara ngeke ngaba no auntie ole wakhomita ngayo i-Retex so bengiyisaba ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi iyasebenza ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi iyasebenza so like bengazi ukuthi ngiready na mina bengifuna ukuya esibhedlela kahle yeah bengifuna ukuya yes guys I've never been to the hospital ever since I was born like I've never slept yeah bengifuna ukuya esibhedlela kahle ukuthi mama azongithatha serious ngoba bekangithathi serious bengifuna ukuthi abe sorry yeah Ish. Yeah, that's my life, guys. That is my life. Like, mina ngiyahlanya fucked up. Goed. Futhi ngisile na futhi. Mina ngisile blind. Hey, I was wild. Yabona all of that made my mom unstrict. And all just for one beating. Baba, that beating was wild, yo. And then, like, she wouldn't talk to me. So like I was sad. She wouldn't talk to me. She wouldn't even look my way. So I wanted to go to the hospital so that she can come see me and apologize. But yeah. You spoiled Shem. You think so? I'm not. Apologize. Guys, ngiyazama ukuzibulala kayi-3 chomi. Zonke failed. I'm glad, hey. I'm glad. Ngoba ngaba ngizibonanga lezi zinto ezenzakala empilweni yami cabanga. Hey, uGod. Uyazi ukuthi uyenzani. Ngiyazama kayi-3 chomi. Ngahuda nje zonke. All 3 times ngahuda nje. Yeah, that's my life. That's all. Can you do my vlog? I'm gonna try. Uthi wathini wakhut. Khute fucked up chum. Boku lezi ezamanzi. Yabona lamakaka lawa manzi chum. I've been through a lot, eh? I wanna be that chubby. Yo. Because I'm moving social media, yeah, yo, yeah. Why na social media ngiphulile mfana? Ngeke ngazama ukuzibulala ngenxa yenu nina. Ngenxa yenu ngazama ukuzibulala mina. Ngenxa yenu nina. Ngaleskhathi lesangtrend and stuff. As marane. Okay guys, I've been there for a while. I think I'm gonna love and leave you guys. Listen, it was great. It was great while it lasted, but I'm gonna have to go. All right, I'm gonna have to go. I'm sorry. I will come back tomorrow, but I have to go. I got something to do. But I love all of you guys. Have a lovely night. Good luck to those who are still writing. Have a lovely day tomorrow. Ngithanda nonke. I don't know what time. It will be randomly. But ngithanda nonke. And yeah. Nilale kahle and stuff.